Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use Google's new camera coach feature on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device that supports this feature. This is the latest new feature called camera coach that will use the generative AI or a Gemini to take the better photos. It will suggest you to how to capture photo to take a better. Also, it will helpful to suggest you the lighting or background on your when you take a photo. So let's see how it works on camera coach feature on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other supported device. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi to fastly use this feature. So first of all, we open the camera on my phone. When you open the camera, you can see at the top camera coach option. So tap on it. When you use first time, you need to turn it on. So here you can see the camera coach is the early stage with ongoing improvement and new feature. Camera coach use the generative AI. When you use camera coach, the contents of the screen will be sent to the Google for processing and then deleted. So this is the AI experimental and content misleading or offensive. So you can turn off the camera coach anytime using the camera setting. So after that, tap on the turn on button. Now here when you take the photo, it will finding the some option. So here you can see get inspired or texture detail. What do you want in the photo? Get inspired or texture detail. So here we select the texture detail. Now preparing how to steps for this photo on my device. Now here you can see the reframe to fill the frame with the texture. So tap on the next step. Get really close to engage macro mode. Tap on the material to focus and take the photo. So it will automatically suggest you the text step-by-step process how to improve the photo on your device. Also you can go back if you don't understand the previous one. So camera coach is the very helpful feature. At the top right corner you can find this camera coach feature also like this. Just tap on it if you want to turn it off or remove the simple photo from your phone or your Google Pixel device. So when you take any important photo like here we click this photo on my phone. Tap on the camera coach again. Here it will finding the some option for me. So wait, here you can see the get inspire, the mystery box, texture and shape. So like we select get inspire. Now here you can see which is your favorite details on the box, wide angle of the tabletop, texture of the surface, logo on the purple box. So here we select the logo on the purple box and it will preparing for you. So very helpful. Now here you can see the logo of the purple box and you can see the details. Angle the box to show the top clearly. Use portrait mode. Shoot from a slightly higher angle and center the purple box in the frame. Focus on the G logo and then take the photo. So you need to follow all the steps to take the better photo using this Google's new camera coach feature. If you don't want to use, just tap on the camera coach photo to turn it off. So quite easy to use the camera coach feature to improve or take the better photos on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. Do you like this new camera coach feature? Please comment your thoughts in the below comment box. Thank you for watching this. Please hype it if you like this new feature. Thanks for watching.